Well guys, so in this we're gonna talk about how to start dropshipping and earn money from dropshipping. Aliexpress dropshipping. So we're gonna talk about how you can earn money from Aliexpress dropshipping. So let's talk about first what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that enable entrepreneurs to sell merchandise online without ever handling a physical product. Over the past few years, so you can start drop shipping, and there are many benefits of drop shipping. Minimal upfront investment is one of them. No minimum order or inventory requirements, and it is remote friendly. Global potential. Drop shipping allows you to sell products that you may not have access to locally, so this is special. You can sell all over the world. Expanded product flexibility. So the ability to drop shipping opens up more product opportunities. How to start drop shipping with AliExpress. Let's talk about now. Step one is to register for an AliExpress account. Install your essential plugins. Find AliExpress product to sell. Import AliExpress product from WooCommerce, and there are other websites available on the internet. AliExpress dropshipping is a really good platform to start your dropshipping business and earn money. So I'll recommend you to start dropshipping with AliExpress and earn money from it, as I told you in the detail in the video, that you can start dropshipping through AliExpress and earn money from it easily.